Long press two electronic buttons simultaneously. Hear the prompt tone. Click. Set the unlocking method. Click and click 1 to add user. Still click 1 to add fingerprint unlocking. Follow the instructions and press the fingerprint repeatedly. Finish. Still click 1 to add a numeric password for unlocking. Enter the password you wish to set. Click to confirm. Enter and confirm again. Click 2 to add face recognition. Follow the instructions. Finish. Click 3 to add palm print unlocking. Click and click 3. Click 2. Wait for a while. Click 1.